Hello, my name is Paul Yoder. I'm a field agronomist for Pioneer. And today I'm excited to tell you about a program that Pioneer has developed, and it's called ISAIA. Behind me you'll see a drone, and with that drone comes this program called ISAIA, and in a nutshell, what it does is takes a stand count of your crops, both corn and beans. The really neat thing about this, which I'll show you in this video, is that with corn we have a limited window between V2 and V4 in which it can take a stand count and actually a gap analysis. What you may find in some scenarios is a management practice that you may want to change for the coming years, or hopefully you'll find that you have the perfect stand. So let's take a look.
So in these couple examples, I want to be able to show you what the Pioneer ISAIA program can do for your farm. In a very short period of time, we can do an overall plant population. If you look at this picture, you can see where there's little red crosses. And everywhere there's a red cross, there's a corn plant. Quickly giving you an analysis of your overall population. The yellow boxes are what we're calling the gap analysis, so anything greater than 12 inches. The nice thing about that is, again, we can fly your field, see if there's any problem areas, if there's areas where there may be concern for replant. We can quickly give you an evaluation of where your overall population is for each individual field. The other nice thing that I want to share with you is that this year I will have access to the Drone Deploy software system, which again, adding even more tools to the drone toolbox that Pioneer is able to offer you this year. In this example, you might be able to pick up a trend based on the gap analysis done by the ISAIA program in this picture. When taking a closer look, it becomes very clear that a post-applicator machine went across this field after it was planted, and based on the wheel tracks, definitely had an effect on the overall emergence and the stand of this corn crop. So this is one example of a management practice that a farmer could potentially change in order to maximize his overall profitability at the end of the year and ensuring a nice even stand from the beginning of the crop to the end. I hope you found this video of interest to your farm, and if you have any fields that you would like to have flown, please call your Pioneer seed agent and we'll do our best to come and take a look at your field and take a population stand count. Also, keep in mind that with the Encirca Pro crop health imagery, in combination with my Drone Deploy and the Pioneer ISAIA app, are three great functions that are basically, in my opinion, remote sensing to a revolutionary level. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.
That concludes this Pioneer Growing Point Agronomy video podcast. Visit our page on pioneer.com and follow us on Twitter and Facebook for more agronomy insights.